Welcome to Maules Creek open cut coal mine. Situated between the towns of Gunnedah and Narrabri in the coal-rich Gunnedah Basin, northwest of Sydney, New South Wales, Maules Creek open cut coal mine is Whitehaven Coal's largest mine. The mine was approved for development in 2012, with construction commencing in 2013. First coal was railed in 2014, with the mine becoming fully operational by 2015. Employing 700 mostly locally based people, the mine operates 24 hours, 7 days a week, and produces a mix of high-energy, low-ash and low-sulphur thermal coal for power generation and semi-soft metallurgical coal for steelmaking. Licensed to mine up to 13 million tonnes of run-of-mine coal per year, and with marketable reserves of 400 million tonnes, the future of Maules Creek is assured for over 30 years to come. Maules Creek is a multi-seam mine with a flexibility in coal quality that enables it to meet customer requirements. The reserve consists of 15 coal seams, of which 12 are currently being mined, with the largest being the Braymont seam, comprising around 25% of the reserve. The various seams produce variation in coal product, which provides the flexibility to sell coal to customers requiring high-energy thermal coal or semi-soft coking coal. In addition, the ability to blend coal products across the Whitehaven portfolio, as well as with coal from other producers, ensures Whitehaven has the capability to meet market demand while broadening its customer base. The mining process at Maules Creek begins with the removal of topsoil and overburden in order to expose the coal seams. The topsoil is stockpiled to be used for future site rehabilitation of the overburden dumps and pit void. Currently, the overburden is moved by both manned and autonomous haulage fleets. Over the next 2 years, it is proposed to convert to a fully autonomous overburden truck fleet. Once the seam is uncovered, the coal is selectively mined and removed by a manned fleet of excavators and trucks. The current fleet, including 10 Hitachi excavators, supported by Hitachi and Caterpillar rear dump trucks, delivers the coal to the ROM stockpile area for processing by the coal handling and preparation plant. Both overburden movement and coal extraction activities are undertaken at various locations within the mining void. This ensures the operation has access to various coal types within the reserve for optimal blending to meet market demand. Coal is hauled to the ROM pads or directly fed into the ROM dump hopper. From the hopper, the coal is crushed and either washed or bypasses the washing process. The coal handling and preparation plant currently has the capability to wash and crush up to 13 million tonnes of ROM coal per year. Coal which is bypassed is a 100% yield product. The washing process produces a lower ash coal product, which increases the quality of the coal and the related premium it receives in the market. The processed coal is then stockpiled at the mine site's train loadout facility for transport by rail to the Port of Newcastle. Maules Creek is a direct 350-kilometre rail journey to the port. Newcastle has the world's largest coal export port with over 1,800 vessel visits per year, shipping over 160 million tonnes of coal annually. Whitehaven has long-term rail access contracts with the Australian Rail Track Corporation, with matching haulage service contracts with Horizon and Pacific National. This enables Whitehaven to transport up to 2 million tonnes of coal through the Hunter Valley Coal Network per month. Access to the coal terminal at the Port of Newcastle is provided by long-term contracts with Port Waratah Coal Services and the Newcastle Coal Infrastructure Group, of which Whitehaven is a part owner. The coal is then loaded onto customer-chartered ships and transported to destinations across Asia. The sustainability of the long-term operation of the mine and rehabilitation of land involved in mining activities is an integral aspect of operating the mine. This includes ensuring water security, offsetting biodiversity impacts, and ensuring a safe operating environment for the benefit of the operation and surrounding district. Given Maules Creek's large coal reserves, Whitehaven is assessing the possibility of future expansion opportunities at the operation. Potentially, an additional 3 million tonnes of ROM coal production per annum could be achieved, increasing total annual production of ROM coal to 16 million tonnes, without adding to the current mining lease area. This expansion will require the full automation of the overburden fleet, 100% in-pit dumping, and an additional crusher at the coal handling and preparation plant. The success of Maules Creek coal mine is linked to the local community in which we operate. The mine is integral to the social and financial infrastructure of the local communities of Boggabri, Gunnedah, Narrabri and the surrounding districts. Whitehaven's commitment to local employment has resulted in 75% of the workforce being locally based, with a focus on Indigenous and female engagement, while our commitment to local suppliers ensures hundreds of millions of dollars flow directly back into the local economy each year. Whitehaven's commitment to local engagement has seen steady population growth and increasing financial prosperity, resulting in community support for the Maules Creek mine. Whitehaven's Maules Creek mine represents the advancement of coal mining in Australia, with market-leading mining infrastructure and technology, high-quality product, direct access to export terminals and an established customer base throughout Asia. Maules Creek is perfectly positioned to meet the energy and industrial requirements of the growing Asia region.